This is the finishing lab, and we are going to walk through the dressing and cleaning of your wheels. These need to be done only about every 3,000 to 5,000 cuts. They don't need to be done very much. But if you're noticing polish quality issues or sharpness of the V bevels, then you definitely want to run through a dressing of the wheels. There are three kinds of dressing sticks. The first kind you're going to have is the white and blue. The white will be for your finish wheel and the blue will be for your polish wheel. The newer style comes with a cleaning for your polish instead of the blue stick with the dressing sticks, and these Velcro on here, and you put a little bit of compound on the pad and you would clean the polish wheel. A quick identification of the wheels. And you want to make sure you polish the correct wheels. These wheels are very expensive, so you want to make sure you don't polish the wrong wheel with the wrong stick, because they can cost you up to $1,500 for a new wheel. The big bumpy wheel, you never ever touch anything to it. Some people recommend cleaning them with a brush. I don't ever recommend them. This wheel is very expensive and these stones need to keep nice and sharp, so I don't ever put anything on the wheel. The wheel next to it, the copper color wheel, is your finish wheel. The only stick that ever goes on your finish wheel is your white stick. And then the blue or gray colored wheel is going to be your polish wheel. Now some of you on an ME or a Lex may have additional wheels, which are also copper colored. Those are for your high curve. The high curve wheels are always done with the white stick. This is an LE series, so we're going to walk through just real quick how to get into the main menu. So you're going to hit the menu button once, and you're going to scroll down one to the word wheel dressing, and you're going to hit the enter button. This is the same way on all LE and Lex. You're going to go down to wheel dressing, and you're going to select wheel dressing. On the wheel dressing, it's going to say start for your dressing and your wheels on and off. Stop will pause it, and enter will exit. So by hitting the start button, this will turn on all of your water. Okay? Once the water's on, we're going to take our white stick, which Nidek recommends you soak these in water for about 20 to 30 minutes prior. And you're just going to apply a nice gentle, even pressure to the copper wheel. You don't need to take off a ton. Just a tad of the stick. Get it nice and clean. Again, a gentle, even pressure. Once we're done with that, we'll move on to the polish wheel. I prefer the blue sticks for the polish wheel. I think they get them a little bit cleaner. Again, nice, even, gentle pressure. You'll notice that this really puts out some black gook. And once you're done there, you can go ahead and hit start and stop, and this will pause everything. Just to walk you through the compound one, the compound, you're just going to put about a dime size of the compound on the pad. So just about a little dab. Again, you're going to turn on the water. I personally like to pause the water. And on the one side, compound down. On the polish wheel, I like to just give a nice gentle pressure on the pad. takes it out. And then what I like to do is turn the water on and use the other side of the pad just to get that rest of the polish off. And stop. And as you can see, the wheels are nice and cleaned and trued. Sorry for the focusing. And all nice and clean. And once you're done with that, and it's all trued, then you can go ahead and hit the enter button and exit the menu. Enter again. Menu twice, and that'll take you to your main menu. Now you're ready to go. Some of you have the safety bevel and groover. I recommend doing that. You can walk through that by hitting the safety bevel and grooving mode. This happens to be an L model, so I don't have a safety bevel groover. The safety bevel and groover will come out, and you will use the same white stick to go through the same procedures as dressing a regular. Be careful not to apply too much pressure on the safety bevel and grooving wheel. Just a nice, light, gentle pressure just to clean the groover and safety beveler.